This year, we have reaffirmed and brought in clarity on our value, vision, and higher purpose. We truly aspire and believe that our calling is to transforming lives through quality education and health for many, many students.
While we started our association 4 years ago, at that time, it wasn't very common for people in the development sector or NGOs to even consider digital education as a game changer. So in that sense, I think it was a very, very symbiotic relationship. Of course, since then, we've been able to see a lot of transformation through the impact stories that have been shared time and again of creating digital smart classrooms.
Working with Right to Live has been extremely rewarding, satisfying, and a humbling experience. Truly, it's moved a lot of our hearts. We see the tireless passion and dedication in this team, especially when, special mention to Mr. Sridhar. And it's been such a driving force for us in doing more and more, making more possible, really. We strongly believe that it's just doesn't end with giving money or donations, right? It also matters when we make that real difference, and we're making that real difference with Right to Live. It's always been an experience where you're able to hear us, understand what we want, and provide a program that suits us. That's been amazing.
In Microsoft, we have an annual give campaign where hundreds of NGOs approach us, and we've worked with a lot of NGOs before. But I can say with high confidence, and this is my 10th year at Microsoft, I can say that the experience of working with Right to Live has been way better than anyone else, purely because of how professionally it's run and how transparent everything is, right? And this is the only NGO through which, when people contribute, they're able to actually see what it went towards. Otherwise, people just donate to some NGO and a lot of it goes in operational costs. We have no idea where the funds goes, but this is one place where people really feel happy about donating because they can see the fruits of what they're trying to do, and they get inspired to do a lot more over the coming years as well.
So this boy was waiting for 3 months to get a Tahsildar of his signature for a relationship certificate for his mother. And what he was waiting on the kidney transplant list for 3 years. And he said, "Doctor, a street dog would be treated better than me." And on the day of transplant, it took just 3 minutes for me to speak to Sridhar. I just told Sridhar, here's a guy who deserves a renal transplant. His life will be transformed, or else he's going to die within the next month or two. And it just took 3 minutes for Sridhar to say, Swami, I'll get back to you. And within a day, we had an approval for 3 lakhs for the transplant. He got admitted the same week, and from 16 has come down to 1.2, and is now leading a normal, healthy life and wanting to become a driver that he dreamt of.
You are all inspiring us to do what we have to do. And especially, I do remember last year when we had the COVID situation where we wanted to raise a fund. Just 1 minute it took Raghuram Kote and Sridhar to decide and give us the platform to raise the fund, through which we were able to serve thousands of people who were homeless, who are not having food. And also we were able to help the doctor community and the health workers. So it's an amazing thing that you're doing. And also you're helping us out in terms of getting the cognitive exchange classes run. And first time I should acknowledge that even though there were many private schools available in and around Bangalore, but this is the first time ever I've seen that Sridhar and company have worked with the students of village, got them the mobile, and we conducted the classes successfully. That has never been seen in any of the part, and that has to be acknowledged.
So grateful to Right to Live. I think in the last 1 month, a couple of cases also we referred to crowdfunding. We have received good amount of support from Right to Live. That's really speaks a lot about it, and continue to do the good. And we are really happy and fortunate to be associated with all of you. And thanks for all your engagement and support.
It has been a difficult year, I would say, like for most of us from the COVID perspective. But for the last year, it's been like a wonderful year from the CSR aspect for us. I would say like this was one of the fastest project we've conducted. Again, thanks to Sridhar was there with us all the time, and then, like he was talking to us like almost like every second day. And then I don't want to miss Shambhavi, who was always on the call, like almost like every second day I spoke to her. And then it was a successful project. The project interested us because like we also have a pillar, like a 3 pillars, like, and our topmost pillar is like the education. Then it's the medical. And then the third one is environmental. Especially in the rural sector is where like you have to, the whole generation is like not going to schools, not having access to these tablets, not having access to the right educational material is like what like it bothers us actually. So again, I'm really happy to be working with all of you, and like our journey continues is what I would say.
Right to Live is such an apt name. I don't think you could have chosen any other name.
You are indeed an organization, that makes a difference to organizations like us and helping societies when they need the help in time.
Right to Live is one of our first partners, and we definitely want to achieve a huge portion of this number with them.
Our well-wishers today are comprising a large spectrum of people, which is covering donors, corporate sponsors, we have other NGOs, we have volunteers, and many others who have the belief and trust in us. So a big thanks to each one of you for making our last year projects a huge success. We appreciate the effort, the time which you have given to us, and certainly this is it's a great moment for us.
I extend my gratitude to all of you for making it to this meeting, and more importantly, for your wholehearted participation and very candid feedback. The experiences which you have shared are so heart-touching and overwhelming for us, all of us. I could see a lot of people being touched by your kind words.